Good evening, and welcome to Cinfin Securities Day-End Market Roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on July 22, 2025. Today, the all-share price index closed at 19,091.93 points, registering a solid gain of 0.25% or 47.85 points. This reflects positive momentum across the broader market. The S&P SL20 index also posted gains, closing at 5,657.62 points. It increased by 0.19% or 10.63 points, showing strength among the leading blue-chip stocks. Today, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at 6,742.09 billion rupees. This reflects the overall value of all listed companies combined. The total market turnover for the day was 5.39 billion rupees, indicating the total value of shares traded during the session. In addition, total crossings amounted to 396.78 million rupees. The highest crossings today were recorded by Central Finance Company plc and Access Engineering plc, highlighting significant block trades in these companies. Looking at overall market activity, today, the total market capitalization stood at 6,740.77 billion rupees. The total market turnover for the day was 5.92 billion rupees, reflecting active trading across the board. Total crossings amounted to 654.82 million rupees, with the highest crossings recorded by Sunshine Holdings plc. Domestic investors dominated market activity today, accounting for approximately 98% of total purchases with 5,798.19 million rupees. Foreign investors contributed the remaining 2%, with purchases totaling 122.59 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales worth 5,759.98 million rupees, representing 97% of total sales. Foreign sales were relatively low at 160.79 million rupees, making up just 3% of the market's total sales volume. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. SMB Finance, non-voting, led the list with the most notable price increase. Parana Plantations followed with strong upward momentum. TESAGRO showed steady gains, continuing its recent positive trend. Arpico Insurance also advanced significantly, attracting active investor attention. Lanka Ashok Leyland completed the list of top performers, contributing to the day's overall market strength and positive sentiment. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Milan Developments recorded the sharpest decline, leading the downward trend. TAL Lanka Hotels followed with a notable drop in its share price. Colombo Investment Trust also saw a decrease, reflecting weaker investor sentiment. Baruwala Resorts experienced a price dip, continuing its recent volatility. Cooperative Insurance Company closed lower as well, rounding off the list of today's underperforming stocks. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. DFCC Bank led the gains, providing a notable boost to the index. National Development Bank followed, reflecting steady investor confidence. Access Engineering was another key contributor, supported by strong trading volumes. Hatton National Bank added stability to the index, with visible buying interest. Finally, Lanka Ashok Leyland also made a positive impact on the index's upward movement. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. Carson Cumberbatch was among the main stocks dragging the index down, reflecting cautious trading in the food, beverage and tobacco sector. Haley's also weighed on the index with a noticeable decline. CT Holdings added further pressure, contributing to the negative market tone. Melstacorp and Bukit Dara closed lower as well, rounding off the list of key contributors to today's downturn. These movements collectively led to the softer close in the broader market. Thank you.